Welcome to this section of our What's New in 2024 for SOLIDWORKS. My name is Ed Hawkins, and over the next few minutes I'll take you through some improvements to PDM in SOLIDWORKS 2024. Workflows have always been a great way to see where your design is in the development process. This assembly is pending approval, but needs to be transitioned back for additional features. Now in PDM 2024, when you transition a workflow, you have the ability to check out the design as you make the transition, making you more efficient. Seeing a static list of parts and their properties can be insightful. However, with PDM 2024, we help you visualize those properties like never before. Assembly visualization now supports PDM properties. System properties as well as non-map properties are now available. Group and color by property and use the rollback bar to isolate parts based on their state. In addition, you can save the color mappings as a display state and continue working on your design with the added insight. Let's use the feature search to add the required design changes to this model. We'll finalize the design by checking them in and then release the design as Rev B. PDM has always been about tracking the history of your designs. Now, that history records when the design has been checked out, providing a greater level of traceability. When accessing an old revision, you can now gain a clearer understanding of its status on the newly redesigned version tab. The top half of the tab provides you insight into the status of the latest version available, while the bottom half provides you with information related to the current local version, giving you a clearer picture of the status. For users of named BOMs, hidden columns now show in the BOM compare as deleted. You can quickly unhide all hidden columns on the right mouse button menu. And it's easier than ever to edit multiple cells at one time. Overall security has been enhanced to ensure that reference data is blocked for those without permissions on the Contains and Where Used tabs, and supports both the table view as well as the treehouse view. Web 2 now supports the grid view, making it easier to visually identify your designs in the folder and search views. Clearly understanding the makeup of a multi-body part is now easier than ever with the new icon indicators that exist not only in Web 2, but throughout PDM 2024. The right mouse button menu now allows you to seamlessly transition to any tab of the file, saving you time. And if you need to access an old version, Web 2 now allows you to select the version you want to download. For administrators, it's now easy to see the vaults that you're logged into. The license node has been split into license usage and server list, and a new administrative permission has been added for more granular access control. With the introduction of assembly visualization support for PDM 2024, you can create a list of data your users can access and easily control their permissions. Finally, organising your workflows has never been easier. States that are no longer utilised can now be archived, and you can toggle the pane on and off on the toolbar. If you need to unarchive a state, simply drag and drop it. So we've seen the introduction of checkout in change state, the new options in assembly visualization for PDM properties. The checkout history of files is now recorded. We've also looked at the redesigned version tab. There's some improvements to named BOMs. We have enhanced security, the Web 2 enhancements, and finally some additional administrative options. Thanks for watching, and look out for our next video on what's new for simulation in SOLIDWORKS 2024.